In this video, we're going to have some fun with water balloons and flash photography. The plan is to capture the moment a water balloon explodes on top of our young subject's head. There are two key things to think about here: the timing and the lighting. This isn't the kind of shot where we can just hope to time it manually. We need to be a bit more exacting, which is why I'm using a sound trigger, the Untitled Capture Pro. It will detect the sound of the bursting balloon and time my shots for me. But the sound trigger isn't for firing the camera. I'm using receivers attached to two speed lights. The sound trigger will detect the bursting balloon and fire my flashes at the crucial moment. The reason for this has to do with flash duration. The burst of light from the flashes can be incredibly fast, much faster than my max shutter speed when using flash. However, this means shooting in complete darkness, as the ambient light can impact on my exposure and cause motion blur, thereby negating the flash's ability to freeze the action. By shooting in darkness, I can leave my shutter open for a few seconds to allow me to drop the balloon. My camera is in manual mode at 2 seconds, aperture f5.6, ISO 100. Because there's no ambient light, only the flash registers, freezing our action with the fast flash duration. As for positioning, the first flash is placed to the left of camera and angled to light the subject's face. I'm using a Wallimex umbrella softbox, which softens and diffuses the light for a more flattering portrait. The second speed light is placed to the right of camera and angled onto the backdrop. This second flash is fitted with a coloured gel to tint the background. Speed lights typically have a faster flash duration when used at lower power settings, so mine are set to 1/8 and 1/16 manual power. My water balloons here are a mixture of the normal bomb-like round variety and the longer type used to make animal shapes for kids. With my fantastic young posers in place, I turn out the main lights, turn on my head torch and climb a stepladder. Then line up the water bomb over my subject's head. I've then got a couple of seconds to drop the balloon. The bursting of the balloon is detected by my sound trigger, which fires my flashes and captures the action. As well as bombing from above, I also tried laying out the longer modelling balloons along the subject's head. Then, using a pin attached to a little rod, I would turn out the lights and pop the balloon. Afterwards, removing the rod in Photoshop is a simple job. So there we have it, that's how to shoot amazing water balloon portraits.